Welcome back to Autopedia, where today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor, a truck that takes off-roading to an entirely new level, focusing on its striking exterior design, performance, and standout features. Let's take a closer look. At first glance, the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor immediately demands attention with its bold front grille featuring the iconic Ford lettering across the center, flanked by sharp angular LED headlights. These headlights not only look futuristic, but they also offer exceptional visibility in low light conditions, making sure you can tackle any terrain, day or night. From the side, the Raptor's design showcases its muscular stance with wider wheel arches, massive 33-inch tires, and a higher ride height. This truck is built to dominate off-road trails. The aggressive fender flares are not just for looks. They house the oversized wheels and contribute to its imposing presence on and off the road. Speaking of wheels, the Raptor is equipped with 17-inch beadlock capable rims paired with all-terrain tires that can handle the toughest conditions. Whether you're tackling rock, sand, or mud, these tires give the Raptor the traction it needs to stay in control no matter the surface. At the rear, the Ranger Raptor keeps things practical yet aggressive with a new tailgate design that includes integrated tie-down hooks and a large, bold Raptor logo. The dual exhaust system exits high, helping to prevent water from entering during deep water crossings. Plus, it gives the truck that signature deep growl when you hit the gas. Underneath, the Raptor features reinforced underbody protection, including heavy-duty skid plates that safeguard the engine and transmission when you're crawling over rough terrain. Paired with Fox Racing shocks and a beefed-up suspension system, the Raptor can take on obstacles with ease. In terms of performance, the exterior design isn't just for show. It's engineered for maximum durability, traction, and off-road prowess. With a wider, more aggressive stance and performance-focused features, the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor is truly a force to be reckoned with. So whether you're conquering the daily commute or the toughest trails, the Ranger Raptor's exterior makes a powerful statement. This truck is ready for anything. That's all for today's breakdown of the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor's exterior. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews right here on Autopedia. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content.